Looking for smart gadgets that actually make life easier instead of collecting dust? Today we've rounded up 15 brilliant smart products that can upgrade your home, workspace, travel, and everyday routine. From innovative tech to problem-solving gadgets, every pick is worth checking out. And remember, every single product featured in this video is linked in the description below, so let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with a gadget that instantly upgrades any room. The wall outlet extender with shelf is much more than a simple power strip. It transforms one outlet into 5 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and a USB-C charging port, while adding a convenient shelf for your phone, smartwatch, or other small accessories. Built-in surge protection keeps your valuable electronics safe, and the automatic night light provides soft illumination whenever the room gets dark. If you're tired of messy cables and limited outlets, this is a smart upgrade worth considering. You'll find the purchase link waiting for you in the description below. Would this make your charging station look much cleaner? Keeping everything organized has never been this simple. The Nelko Bluetooth label maker lets you create professional-looking labels directly from your smartphone without needing ink or toner. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, office, storage bins, classroom, or small business inventory, this compact printer makes the process fast and effortless. With thousands of templates, icons, and fonts available through the app, you can personalize every label in seconds. If organization saves you time, this little gadget deserves a spot on your desk. Check the description to grab yours with the direct product link. What would be the very first thing you'd label? Now here's a smart display that does much more than answer questions. The newest Echo Show 8 combines an impressive HD touchscreen, powerful spatial audio, Alexa voice control, video calling, entertainment streaming, and complete smart home management into one sleek device. It can control compatible lights, cameras, thermostats, and much more while displaying recipes, calendars, weather updates, or your favorite shows. If you're building a smarter home, this could easily become the centerpiece of your setup. You can find the featured product through the link available in the description. Could you see this becoming the command center of your home? If your videos still look shaky, this gadget can completely change your content quality. The Hohem iSteady X3 SE uses advanced 3-axis stabilization to deliver incredibly smooth footage while you're walking, traveling, or filming action scenes. The detachable wireless remote makes selfies and group videos effortless, while the companion app unlocks creative shooting modes and AI tracking features. With up to 11 hours of battery life, it's built for creators who want professional-looking videos without carrying bulky equipment. The product link is conveniently listed in the description if you'd like to check it out. Would this be your next content creation upgrade? Here's a smart health gadget that's surprisingly impressive. The Bebird Earsight Ultra uses a crystal-clear 2K camera to let you safely see inside your ear while cleaning, replacing guesswork with precision. Multiple silicone tips help remove wax comfortably, while the live smartphone view makes the entire process easier and safer. It even allows you to capture photos or videos if you ever need to share them with your doctor. For anyone who values personal care and convenience, this is a unique investment. If you're interested, you'll find the buying link in the video description below. Would you trust a camera-guided cleaner over traditional cotton swabs? Have you ever wasted precious time searching for your keys or luggage? The Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2 is designed to make those frustrating moments a thing of the past. Attach it to your keys, backpack, wallet, or even your pet's collar. Then locate it using your compatible Samsung Galaxy device. With long battery life, water resistance, and smart tracking features, it's a reliable, everyday companion for staying organized. If you're already part of the Samsung ecosystem, this is a gadget you'll appreciate every day. You'll find the direct purchase link waiting in the description below. What valuable item would you attach this tracker to first? Sometimes the smallest upgrades make the biggest difference. This automatic touchless trash can open instantly with motion detection, so you never have to touch the lid with messy hands. Its slim design fits perfectly into bathrooms, bedrooms, offices, or kitchens, while the sealed construction helps keep unwanted odors trapped inside. Waterproof construction and a modern appearance make it both practical and stylish. If you love cleaner, more hygienic living spaces, this smart trash can is definitely worth considering. The product is linked for you in the description if you'd like to learn more. Could this become your favorite smart home upgrade? Tracking your fitness progress goes far beyond watching the number on a scale. The RENPHO Smart Measuring Tape records measurements like your waist, chest, hips, arms, and more, then automatically syncs everything to the RENPHO app through Bluetooth. The Easy Lock design makes measuring yourself simple, while detailed progress tracking helps keep you motivated throughout your fitness journey. If you're serious about weight loss or muscle building, this smart gadget provides valuable insights every step of the way. You can access the product through the link provided in the description. How helpful would automatic body tracking be for your fitness goals? Let's move on to a gadget that quietly keeps your kitchen feeling fresh. The Purriko refrigerator deodorizer eliminates unwanted odors without using chemicals, fragrances, batteries, or replacement filters. Instead of masking smells, it helps break down odor-causing particles while lasting for years with virtually no maintenance. Its compact stainless steel design blends neatly into any refrigerator without taking up valuable storage space. If you're tired of unpleasant fridge odors, this is a simple solution worth checking out. The product link has been included in the description for your convenience. Do you think this could replace baking soda in your refrigerator? Why fill your nightstand with multiple devices when one gadget can do it all? This smart LED table lamp combines customizable lighting, a wireless charger, Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, and relaxing night light into one sleek setup. Control millions of lighting colors, charge your compatible phone, wake up with a built-in alarm, or enjoy your favorite music from a single device. It's a fantastic choice for bedrooms, offices, or gaming setups where space matters. If this all-in-one gadget caught your attention, you'll find its buying link down in the description. Which feature would you use the most every single day? Ready to take your workouts to the next level? The RENPHO Smart Jump Rope offers the flexibility of both traditional and cordless jumping, making it perfect whether you're at home, in the gym, or traveling. Its built-in smart counter tracks jumps, calories burned, and workout duration while syncing everything to the RENPHO app via Bluetooth. The adjustable rope and ergonomic handles make it suitable for beginners and experienced athletes alike. If you're looking for an easy way to improve cardio and burn calories, this gadget is definitely worth adding to your routine. You can find the purchase link waiting in the description below. Would you choose the cordless mode or the classic rope setup? Here's a gadget every coffee or tea lover can appreciate. The House Gym Mug Warmer keeps your favorite drink at the perfect temperature for hours, so you never have to settle for a cold cup again. With 3 adjustable heat settings, a large heating surface, digital temperature display, and customizable auto shut-off timer, it's designed for both convenience and safety. Whether you're working from home or spending long hours at the office, this little device makes every sip just as enjoyable as the first. The direct product link is available in the description whenever you're ready to check it out. How many times have you had to reheat your coffee in a single day? Now here's a gadget that's both entertaining and practical. The LARAH Color Fidget Pen works as a smooth-writing ballpoint pen while transforming into a magnetic construction toy that helps relieve stress and improve focus. Create different shapes, sculptures, or creative designs whenever you need a mental break. It's compact enough to carry anywhere and makes a unique gift for students, office workers, or anyone who enjoys clever desk gadgets. If you like products that combine creativity with functionality, this one deserves your attention. The buying link is conveniently listed in the video description below. Which design would you build first with this magnetic pen? Imagine waking up naturally instead of being startled by a loud alarm. The Hatch Restore 3 gradually fills your room with sunrise-inspired light before your alarm sounds, helping you start the day feeling more refreshed. It also works as a sound machine, bedside light, sleep companion, and relaxation device with customizable bedtime routines. If you're looking to improve your sleep quality and morning routine, this smart gadget offers a premium experience that's hard to match. You'll find the featured product linked in the description if you'd like to explore it further. Do you think a sunrise alarm could completely change the way you wake up? Let's finish today's list with a gadget that's incredibly useful during cold weather. These AI rechargeable hand warmers feature intelligent temperature control, 3 adjustable heat levels, and up to 20 hours of warmth on a single charge. Use them separately or combine them into one compact heater for outdoor adventures, winter sports, camping, golf, or your daily commute. They're lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to carry wherever you go. If staying warm without disposable hand warmers sounds appealing, this is an excellent investment. Be sure to check the description where you'll find the direct product link. Which winter activity would you bring these along for? That wraps up our list of 15 amazing smart products that can make everyday life more convenient, productive, and enjoyable. If one of these gadgets caught your attention, remember that every single product featured in today's video is linked in the description below for easy access. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next collection of incredible Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.